Do you know what foods you should be eating after 50? It's a question that sparks curiosity, doesn't it? As we journey together into the golden years, the importance of a balanced, nutritious diet cannot be overstated. In fact, the significance of what we eat only amplifies with time. Today, we're going to explore 5 key foods that should be a part of your daily diet once you cross the half-century mark. So, without further ado, let's dive into the details of these amazing foods. First on our list is fish, a powerhouse of essential nutrients. Notably, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines offer a treasure trove of benefits. These varieties are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vital for promoting a healthy heart and supporting brain function. Regular consumption of these fish can help lower the risk of heart disease and boost cognitive health. The best part? They're not only nutritious but also delicious. So, ensure to add fish to your diet at least twice a week. Next up is berries, a sweet treat loaded with antioxidants. These vibrant morsels, particularly blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are nature's candy. But they're not just sweet, they're also superfoods. Packed with antioxidants, they wage a relentless war against inflammation and offer a shield against chronic diseases. Whether you sprinkle them on your breakfast cereal or enjoy them as a mid-afternoon snack, they're a delectable way to promote good health. Remember, a handful of berries a day can go a long way in protecting your health. Third on our list is leafy greens, the ultimate source of vitamins and minerals. Picture a plate full of spinach, kale, or collard greens. These aren't just vibrant and tasty, they're also packed with vital nutrients. A star feature is their high calcium and vitamin K content, crucial for maintaining strong, healthy bones, particularly as we grow older. So next time you're preparing a meal, don't forget to add a generous helping of these nutritional powerhouses. Incorporate leafy greens into your meals for a nutritional boost. Fourth on our list is nuts, a convenient and nutritious snack. From almonds to walnuts, pistachios to pecans, each variety packs its own unique blend of nutrients. Almonds, for instance, are rich in vitamin E and magnesium, while walnuts offer a hefty dose of omega-3 fatty acids. Pistachios are a great source of protein and fiber. These healthy fats and fibers play a crucial role in maintaining heart health. So make it a habit. A handful of nuts a day can help keep the doctor away. Last but not least, whole grains are key to a balanced diet. These humble heroes of health, from brown rice to oats and quinoa, are packed with benefits. Their high fiber content aids digestion, ensuring your system runs smoothly. But the benefits don't stop there. Whole grains also contribute to maintaining a healthy weight and reducing the risk of heart disease. They're not just a side dish, they're a health powerhouse. Remember, whole grains are more than just filling, they're full of health benefits. In conclusion, your diet plays a key role in your health as you age. The 5 foods we've discussed, fish, berries, leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains, are not just delicious, they're packed with nutrients essential for your well-being. Incorporate them into your meals, balance them with regular exercise, and you're on your way to a healthier you. These choices impact your vitality, energy levels, and overall health. Remember, it's never too late to start eating healthier. Make the right food choices today for a healthier tomorrow.